Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a project in Claude. Now to start creating your project, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have a plan for your Claude account. Unfortunately, I'm inside a free plan right here, so the project option will not appear on my dashboard. But in your case, if you have a paid account or a paid plan, you will be able to see projects under the artifacts category or button right here. So what you want to do is to simply click on the new project. In my case, I'm going to use the chat as an example. So just like this one, you then want to click on new project, and from here you can then go ahead and start managing your projects straight away. Now, once again, it's like the chats right here. If you want to delete a project, you can just click on the three dots beside the specific project, click on delete, and from there, you will be able to simply manage your projects. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.